Welcome to our video about the top 10 most expensive things Cristiano Ronaldo owns and his luxurious lifestyle. This football great is one of the most famous and successful players in the world, and his life off the pitch is as exciting as it is on it. We'll take a look at the most expensive items he owns, from cars to watches to properties, and also explore his lifestyle. Number 1. Private jet. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the few people to own a private jet. He purchased a luxurious Gulfstream G200, which is estimated to be worth around $20 million. This is one of the most expensive things that the footballer has purchased and is used for his frequent trips around the world. Number 2. Expensive cars. Ronaldo is known for his love of luxury cars. He reportedly owns about 20 luxury cars, including a Bugatti Veyron, Lamborghini Aventador, a Ferrari 599 GTO, and a Bentley Continental GTC. The total expenditure on these cars is estimated to be around $6.5 million. Number 3. Mansion. Cristiano Ronaldo is said to own 3 luxurious mansions in Madrid, one in his home country, Portugal, and another in the US. His Madrid mansion is estimated to be worth around $7.2 million. Number 4. Luxury watches. Cristiano is known to own a collection of luxury watches, some of which are worth over $100,000. He has also been spotted wearing exclusive and limited edition watches from brands like Audemars Piguet, Hublot, and Richard Mille. Number 5. Luxury yacht. The football star is the proud owner of a luxury yacht, named the CR7. The yacht is said to be worth over $5 million and is equipped with all the latest amenities. Number 6. Private island. In 2015, Ronaldo reportedly purchased a private island in the Bahamas, estimated to be worth around $6 million. Number 7. Private jet interior. Apart from his luxury jet, Ronaldo has also invested in the interior of his jet, making it even more luxurious. He has reportedly spent around $2 million on the interior design. Number 8. Luxury clothing. Ronaldo is known to have a vast collection of luxury clothing. He has been spotted wearing designer labels such as Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana, and Armani. Number 9. Jewelry. Ronaldo is known to have a love for luxury jewelry. He reportedly owns a diamond-encrusted watch and a most expensive necklace in the world. Number 10. CR7. Cristiano recently launched his own line of luxury clothing and accessories. The collection includes t-shirts, jackets, and shoes, all of which feature the CR7 logo.